This is my update, guys. So what I did here is I did a whole Fox body drivetrain in here, and the new Edge Mustang, which this is a 2000 Mustang, just regular Mustang, because it was a V6 Pro charged, but I ripped that motor out, threw it in the garbage. I kept the Pro charger, could use it on one of my other cars, or I could sell it. And I did the whole V8 swap in here. This is it. Got the GT wheels on it. So I'm gonna change that with some wider wheels as soon as I'm done with this. I also did the Sniper EFI by Holley. It's basically a fuel injection throttle body. Looks like a carburetor. And I still have to do all the wiring and everything to get it running. I gotta hook up all the gauges, all the wiring for the throttle body. Has to go inside the car. I still gotta make the new downpipe. I gotta run the return line for the fuel. What else I have to do on this? Gotta get a fitting for the feed line for the precision turbo. It's a T4 housing with a 60 AR housing in the front, so that way I can close the hood. I had a Turbonetics T66 before, and it was huge, and for me to run it I would have to cut the hood, and I really don't want to do that. I wanted to keep the car looking like a V6 on the outside, just to fool people a little. This is what it looked like. It's raining out there. I really don't want to get wet, but to show you. Car has black interior, gray seats. I have all the parts thrown in there right now. As soon as I get to the interior, I'll start cleaning that up. Right now I'm about to make the reinforcement. I'll make that from scratch. I picked up some all-star piping from Summit Racing, so I'll be showing you guys the process on that. I have my TIG welding setup right here. I have MIG, TIG, and a plasma cutter, all from Eastwood. I'm gonna be doing that as well, and then I'm probably gonna powder coat it. I also made my own oven right here. I do powder coating, do rims, everything. It's my own little setup here. You can follow my Instagram for updates if you guys like. It'll all be listed in the ad. Please like and share.